In 1953, Andreas Fridolin Weiss Benson, a 17-year-old Danish boy, heard the Launeddas being played for the first time in Santa Giusta, Sardinia. It was an event that would change his life. From then on until his premature death at the age of 35, he would devote all of his intellectual energy to the study of this island. Other invaluable materials collected during his research include audio recordings, notebooks, photographs and films. This film, which has been made from the audio and visual materials collected by Andreas Benson during his research on the Launeddas, is intended to pay homage to this renowned scholar and great friend of Sardinia.